If you're working a regular job right now and you're just looking to make some extra money and you don't care if it's something you're passionate about, then I highly recommend looking into selling physical products online.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
In my opinion, it's by far the easiest, best way to create a new stream of income. Here's why. You can do it with literally $0 out of pocket and with no experience. There are courses. There's actually even free YouTube videos online that'll show you pretty much what you need to know to get started selling physical products. And I believe that this is the best time to be an entrepreneur, the best time in the history of the world to be an entrepreneur. And in fact, right now, as I'm recording this, it's April 15th, 2020. Amazon has added, there was just an article that just came out, they're hiring 75,000 new workers. And this is on top of 100,000 positions that they just opened up last month. Amazon is growing. They can't handle the demand right now, so they're adding new workers. So this is the best time to jump in, if you haven't already, and sell physical products online. And Amazon is a great place to do it. Another strategy that you could use is consignment. Surely you have friends, family, neighbors, people that have inventory sitting around that they'd love to turn into cash, but they don't have the knowledge to do it. Guys, let me tell you a secret. It's so easy to sell on Amazon. It's so easy to sell online, on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. However, you got to flip that inventory, but do consignment. Go to that neighbor, that friend, that family member and say, I'll take your stuff and I will sell it online for you and I will split the profits with you. The benefit of this is they get cash. They don't have to mess with it. You get free inventory, essentially. You just got to put a little elbow grease into it and flip it online and split the profits with them. And those are just 2 simple, easy ways to get started selling on Amazon or online and on other platforms. But I also have like 50 different side hustle ideas that you can start right away. And I want to give you the free download. It's called Streams of Side Hustle Income. Just go to streamsofincomeradio.com and you can grab that. This is episode number 36. So you can see in the show notes there, there'll be a link to download that. But here are just some of the other ones. I know some of you may be in a position where you don't have time to even learn how to sell online. Guys, it's easy, but I understand you might be in a position where you need money yesterday. Some of the things that you could do pretty quickly and get started up just to add some extra money coming into your home. Things like I have number 4 on my list of 50, food and grocery delivery. Things like Uber Eats or DoorDash, Favor. You can work for a company like that and deliver food to people. Number 13, a freelancer. If you have a skill, like if you can create websites or you can create social media posts, or if there's any skill that you can do, you can go on a site like Fiverr, Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. There'll be a link in the show notes to those sites, and create a listing that you'll do things for people like that. And you'll be the one that they're outsourcing to. Number 33, a handyman. Again, this is not me at all. I shy away from hammers and nails and all that type of stuff. I'd much rather have somebody come into my home and just do that for me. Saves me the frustration. But go online, post on Facebook that, hey, I will hang pictures. I'll change light bulbs. Whatever it is that you want to do, just make a post on there and get people to start calling you, start messaging you. If you need to do one for free. Word of mouth is a perfect type of advertising in that type of industry. So find somebody that has a decent Facebook following or Instagram following and do a job for them for free in exchange for them just spreading the word about you, and get that ball rolling and get new jobs coming in. Number 34, an online course. Jenny Hunt and I talk about how to create a course in a weekend. It doesn't have to be something where you create a ton of videos and then hope that somebody buys it. You can do steps that we talk about to create a course in essence while people are watching you doing live workshops. even selling the course in advance, pre-selling it. So then you know that you got people that are going to consume it after you create the content. But an online course is something you can create pretty quickly. 35 is help local businesses sell online. Once you know how to sell online, how to sell on eBay, how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on Facebook Marketplace, there are so many businesses that need that, especially right now when they're hurting. You could come alongside them, partner up with them, and sell their physical products online and split the profits with them in some way. Now, I know some of you listening to this aren't in a position that you need to make money yesterday. You're doing okay financially. You just want to add a new stream of income into your business. So hopefully this has been helpful to encourage you to outsource, to bolt down what you currently are doing well so that you can focus on this new venture. And I want to encourage you that you can do this. You can write that book. You can create that course. And I want to help you do that. Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.